Deep within the misty rainforests of Borneo, an ancient giant walks quietly among the trees. Yet this giant is unlike any other. Standing just over 2 meters tall, it is the smallest elephant in the world, the Bornean pygmy elephant. If you love discovering rare and fascinating creatures, do give this video a quick like and subscribe. It's free and it helps more people discover the wonders of our planet. The Bornean pygmy elephant story begins thousands of years ago. Scientists believe these gentle creatures may be descendants of elephants once gifted by ancient sultans, brought to Borneo centuries ago. Over time, isolated on the island, they evolved, growing smaller, rounder, and far more curious in nature. They are smaller not because they are weak, but because nature designed them perfectly for their environment. In Borneo's thick forests, agility and calmness are far more valuable than sheer size. The Bornean pygmy elephant stands around 8 feet tall, that's about the height of a basketball hoop, and weighs between 2 and 3 tons. Their faces appear almost baby-like, with large eyes, oversized ears, and long tails that often brush the ground. Unlike African elephants, their tusks are shorter and often straighter. And though smaller, they share the same intelligence and emotion, capable of remembering paths, forming deep family bonds, and even mourning their dead. In the cool mornings, herds move silently through the undergrowth, feeding on fruits, grasses, and bamboo shoots. A single elephant can eat up to 150 kilograms of food each day. They communicate using low-frequency rumbles, sounds too deep for humans to hear, carrying messages for miles through the forest floor. It's their way of saying, "We are here, we are family." Each herd is led by a matriarch, the oldest and wisest female. She remembers every trail, waterhole, and safe resting spot. Her knowledge is passed down through generations. Researchers have discovered that pygmy elephants show empathy, cooperation, and even problem-solving, qualities that remind us how connected we truly are to the animal world. But even in this paradise, danger lurks. As palm oil plantations expand, the elephants' forest homes disappear. Roads, fences, and farms cut across their migration paths. Conflicts arise when elephants wander into human land, often in search of food. Conservationists are working tirelessly, building wildlife corridors, tracking herds and educating communities to protect these gentle giants. Only around 1,500 Bornean pygmy elephants remain in the wild today. Each one is precious, a living treasure of Borneo. There is still hope. With reforestation projects and eco-tourism initiatives, the tide can turn. When people visit responsibly, when governments protect the land, and when we all choose products that don't harm the rainforest, these elephants can thrive again. The Bornean pygmy elephant may be the smallest of its kind, but its spirit is immense, a symbol of resilience and harmony in nature. If you enjoyed exploring with us today, please do like this video and subscribe. It's completely free, and it helps us share more stories from the wild world we all share.